Okay, what we're going to look in this video is the conservation of momentum when the two objects combine. Okay, so the working for this one is the same as before, but MAUA plus MB plus U, and then if they combine, then they add the masses together, and we're just going to get a final velocity of them both added together. At the moment, it should be 2.6 meters per second for these settings. This is a GeoGebra app, okay? You have to make sure that UA is bigger than UB. Okay, and if we start, then they will catch up, and basically they will join together. There you go. And therefore the final velocity will be 2.6 meters per second. Okay, so we just need to make sure, and let's have a look at this one where they actually come together. Let's try this, reset, start, okay, and then obviously they're going to combine. As this is bigger than that, it will tend to move in that direction. Okay, let's reset. That's what happens if we make this bigger than, okay, this time, okay, it should actually move in the other direction. It won't because they don't have the same masses. Let's just reset that a minute and then make this even smaller. So basically, if we make the mass is the same, then this time it should definitely go in the other direction. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so this has been a video to look at the conservation of momentum when two objects combine using GeoGebra. I hope you have understood, and I thank you very much for watching.